Alexa, play Get Ready by Dumb and Dumber.
I couldn't find Get Ready by Dumb and Dumber, but here is
Alexa,
music by Dumb
play
and
Get Ready from Dumb and Dumber.
Get Ready.
Everyone's being a critic. And speaking of critic, tonight we're drawing Android 13 from Dragon Ball Z. This guy got his first appearance on Super Android 13, the movie. Look at the size of his trucker hat. I wish that this guy's fused form was on Dragon Ball FighterZ. That would have made it all worth it. Basically, I don't mean to speak all sciencey and stuff. Sorry, I'm just understanding his language and his personality. You see, this guy's artificial intelligence was designed to just hate Goku. Why the heck would Dr. Gero create something like that? The guy's a jerk, that's what it's why. If Super Android 13 was a good guy, he would have sided with the Saiyans. Anyway, that's how you draw Android 13. Alexa, what is the definition for truck?
As a noun, truck is usually defined as any of various forms of vehicle for carrying goods and materials, usually consisting of a single self-propelled unit but also often composed of a trailer vehicle hauled by a tractor unit. As a verb, truck is usually defined as to transport by truck. As an adjective, truck is usually defined as of, relating to, or for a truck or trucks. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for truck.
That's all for now. That's how you draw Android 13. Yeah!